What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Out in East LA again. They had that crazy sale last week, so I had to go check it out. Let's go see what's up. All right, hopefully I can make this video a little bit longer. Even last week they told me I couldn't take video, but we just trucked along anyways. All right, let's see what we find, dude. I don't think the 60% is still going on, but I don't know. Let's go find out. Do got a little heat section, not really too much. Do got these are a women's 10 right here, the dunks. These are the championship ones though, right? These aren't the just regular pandas, I believe. Okay, do got the ones right there. Got these dunks. This is 6Y right here. This is 6Y as well. All these are regular price though, that's the only issue. Then here's the back wall right here. It is 40% off, and they also have refurbished stuff, but they barely have anything here, man. What the hell? This might be good real quick. I don't know what size where I'm at. Apparently I'm at the size 9s. Look at this. 120 and then 40% off. Holy crap. So is that $70? About like 70 bucks. Maybe like $67. I don't know. Something like that. Air Force Ones. Okay, these Nike by You. These are going for $135. I think this is size 9.5 Air Max Scorpions. These are the Vapor Max on steroids. Have I seen these? I don't think I have. Holy crap. So the air unit is not transparent. I thought it was transparent. That's interesting. Okay, upper is the Flyknit material at the Vapor Max. $250 for these. Holy crap. Yeah, I saw it. There's not much. They got the Superfly 9 Elite field goals, soccer cleats, highest in soccer cleats. $275 for those, size 10. Kyrie 5 lows going for $120. These are 9.5. Kyrie Infinities going for $140. It's a pretty dope colorway. Too shabby. Infinity Run Flyknit, size 9.5, going for $80. All the refurbished stuff is gone. Barely anything here. We're on the size 10.5 now, apparently. The BRSBs, kind of a mix between the Gatos and then what's the other shoe that has that in the middle like that? But yeah, okay. They're here. They're $90. Size 11, $170. Another one of those go for $170. Flytrap 4s go for $80. Size 11, 10.5 Air Max 90. These are Terra Escapes with a recycled material right there. Size 10, regular price though. Guess you get 40 off, I guess. Zoomfly 5s go for $100. Size 12s. Flytraps go for way too much, going for $80. The rest are all 13s. Pegasus Trail 4s go for $85. This one's $85, and then that one's $130. Oh, it's the same one. Okay, $85. Size 14. Airflight 89s go for $90. More Zoomflies, same price, $100. Worker just brought these out. Look, size 11. They have a couple other sizes. They have a size 10 as well. I could grab my size. 40% off. 40% off J's, man. That's freaking insane. 40% off J's. Do got the Lucas, and then look at this. Look at this. Yeah. And they got multiple. Yeah, man, that's crazy. And if you guys haven't seen one of my prior videos where I talked about these are insane. The leather's crazy. The color's just nuts. But it has that quilted inside right there. Yeah, I'll post this on Instagram. No, I'll post it on my shorts and then Instagram later. So make sure you guys follow me. Or make sure you guys follow the channel. Follow the shorts. Follow all that stuff too. So yeah, they do have sizes, man. They got sizes. Size 13s, 11s, 9s, 10s. 8s, they got plenty of sizes. Do got those, and then look, haven't seen too many of these that actually are a B grade. Haven't seen that. Okay, Jordan Access, one of those. Oh yeah, we got a bunch. Kill shot 2 leathers, 3 run 2s, Hirachis, like a bunch of Hirachis, and the Blazer mids right here. Checking some more stuff. Micon 7s, 3 Micon 3s, Monarchs, alley-oops, SB alley-oops that is, Zoom Blazer premiums with the extra sandpaper suede on it. Oh, maybe it's not even suede. It is suede, yeah. Yeah, that's suede. And then is that like what, denim on the back? Is that like white denim or some sort of cloth material? Okay. Ice shod wears, LeBron, some soldiers. That's pretty much about it. Nothing too crazy. This is the women's clearance section, even worse than the dudes. There's just less and less merch here. Let's go check out the clothes. Oh dang, I missed this little heat section. I've never even seen these. What are these? Jordan 1 lows? I've never seen these. $1.10. These are size 13. Does come with full box. Regular price though. No additional discounts on any of this stuff. Dude, got the PSGs. Size what? 9.5. 9.5 right here. Okay. If you're gonna take the box off, at least give a discount. What the hell? And then got some dunks right here. These are size 9. Size 9. I've never seen these dunks. Ooh, that's interesting. Half and half. Yeah, just have the old school box on it. These dunks right here. Size 9.5, and then this one with the rug material, 11.5. Also got these. These are the golf versions. These obviously were worn. You can see a crease right there. This is better material than the regular Jordan 1s, and then got these as well. But these are all regular price. Dude, got refurbished clothes. The first time I've ever seen this, or I've ever looked, to be really honest. They have little tags on them as well. 65 for this I don't know, pullover right there. Another hoodie right here, going for $40. It is 40% off, so that's a solid price. No, these are all, oh, it even has a little thing on it that says like new, so I guess just a return. $30 for this one. It's a medium. Oh, okay, so it tells you the condition of them as well. Okay. It's slightly imperfect. Pants section right here. Got some brown. Oh, these are quadruple XL. Gently worn, going for $28. Men's size 40. So kind of a bigger waist, $34 for these. They say gently worn. So these are like returned items mostly. Okay. Some Nike golf stuff. $48 for those. We do have 60% off all this stuff right here, but it's all regular price, so no discount. This is regular price right here. Like just no real discounts. Okay, that's going for $65, normally $90. But not the craziest discounts already. Alright, I think we're done. What's this? Los Angeles jersey? It's an NBA Los Angeles jersey. Oh, it's just a city patch. Yeah, see, even this is $120. Clippers jersey. Alright, let's go across the street. Let's go see what's up. Alright, there's a Foot Locker here. Last time I came, I think they weren't even open. Yeah, I think it was Black Friday. Alright, let's look around. The black taxis. I've never even seen these, to be really honest. Okay. That gold looks like extra fake. Like dang, usually, I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be yellow. Maybe that's why. But yeah, no, that looks really mediocre. The material seems very good though. Material seems really nice. But yeah, I'm just not a fan. Do got plenty of J's though. Oh my goodness. When was the last time we seen a whole row of J's like that? That's pretty crazy. Got some overfill on the sides even. Wow. Damn, I do need to get one of the kids, or the nephews, I need to get them some Blazers. I don't think this is the one though. Definitely don't think this is the one. Good price though. Still seeing Air Maxes. Ton of Air Max on sale. The Air Max 97s. This Air Max 90. I'm just not a fan of this color. These are so cheap though. $60. Are you serious? So is that $80 off? Holy cow. There's Craters. Those are hella cheap as well. Seen a bunch of the Iversons on sale lately. Look at the prices on these. Holy cow. All the questions on sale. Answers not quite yet, but I'm sure these will go on sale too. I'm sure these will go on sale. Also got the these Shagnoses. These have been on sale forever. I always thought it was weird because look at how off the colors. And it's like that on all of them. Like right there, it's like way dark, and then right here, it's like a lighter red. It's like the coloring is way off. It's just way off. And we've seen that on most of these, to be honest. Some champions. Y'all need some champions? Not really. I don't think anybody needs champions. Dang, I'm still waiting for these to go on sale. Still don't have one of these. Everybody pretty much tells me that the Yeezy slides are way more comfy though. I don't know if this is just way more dense. It's way more dense the way they use the EVA foam on that. And then this is the women's section right here. Look at this. Look at how cheap these are. These are the platforms, so they're not the regular ones. I thought all these would be on sale, but no, not really. Not really. The Uggs have gone down. Those started off at like $80. So 80 or 100, one of those. Dude, got the RSX on sale in the women's section. Look at the prices on these. $30. Holy crap, these are 110 normally. These are some dope Harachis in the women's section right here. Normally, what, 120 for those? So, low discount. Dunks getting discounted. Dunk highs. Those are the ones with the double dunks, though. Or the double swishes. Double swishes. Oh, these are down to $10. $10. I got one for every one of my family members for these. We don't have the second generation. This is the second generation ones with this right here. I don't know, maybe I should grab some of these. These are so good for the winter, bro. I'm not gonna lie, these are so nice for the winter. Man. Alright, so those slippers, I did order a few of them. I actually ordered 4. And I think I ordered 4. And then of course you get tell you guys to do the survey coupons all the time. It was $40. And they were very nice about it. I grabbed this t-shirt as well because I got it for free. The All City t-shirt. I think it was like, yeah, it's 40, and then I don't know, but it was very close. And then they actually helped me out. It was like really close to 50, and then I think I was like 4 cents under or something like that, or 6 cents under. She still gave me the $10 off, so I got a free t-shirt because that was $10. The All City was $10. Then I got 4 of these, and it came out to $40-something. So yeah, that's about it, man. Came up. Christmas shopping, some of it done.
Yeah.